Twin 23 months here.
Alicia Baby Virgin Kids, and we are baking.
We
are baking cupcakes and cakes.
Yeah. No, just one cake. Not
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna be using
3 eggs.
A bowl and a mixer.
And the mixture. We buy the simple mixture.
And the cups. Okay, the cups.
Vegetable oil. And water.
Okay, so and for decorations, gonna be using these. Okay.
This is a dye.
Chocolate chip.
Star sprinkle. Yeah.
Okay, so first we're gonna be using the flour,
which has colorful colors in it. And can see it? Yeah, I think you can see it.
Okay, so
be my guest. Yeah, we're going to mix all of them. So, yeah, we do this every time.
Okay.
Yeah, we do this every time.
So, this is the first time we're going to be recording. So,
and 3 eggs. We'll be cracking the eggs.
And put them in here.
Woo! Eggs. One egg.
Here you go.
Two eggs. And the last egg.
3 eggs. Okay, so the next thing is...
I'm gonna wash my hands first.
Okay. So she's gonna go wash her hands while we continue with water. So we're gonna be using 1 cup of water.
1 cup of water.
Be my guest.
Thank you.
Woo! Okay. And then we're gonna be using 1/4 of water. Go.
Thank you.
Okay, so right now we're gonna use vegetable oil. So we're not gonna use the 1 cup because it's gonna be too oily. So we're just gonna use.
Wait. Cup.
Oh, we thought 1 cup. So it's 1/2 cup of oil. It looks so disgusting. Okay, you wanna see it? Zoom it in. Ew, it's pukey. Okay, right now we're gonna mix it.
Wait. Okay, just a minute, please. While I move the laptop. Okay, can you see me mixing?
Yes. So we're gonna use 2. Whoa, 2. Okay, we can't use it. We're gonna move it here. Okay, a bit closer. Okay, I can't reach. You can't reach.
I can get closer.
Okay, good.
Wait, can you see? Okay, mix.
Okay, we're gonna mix it a bit longer so that it won't be so. It looks nice.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna
taste.
Here you go.
No, thank you.
Okay, so because there's 3 eggs, so it's gonna like stink if you eat it right now. So, we're gonna continue mixing right about later. Wait for a while. And now, that's too fast. Okay, it'll be okay.
See, it's so colorful.
You wanna see it? Okay, here you go. Okay, you can't
It's
see
so
it.
colorful.
The laptop. Okay.
Okay. Oh. Oh my God, the keyboard.
Okay.
Mixing.
Okay, so it's done. And give me the meat right now. Okay, so take a little bit right there, and take this reach here.
mixture. The mixture. See? How colorful is that? You see it? See it? It's very colorful.
Okay, so we're gonna continue right now.
Are we gonna make the muffin first?
Yeah,
I think we're gonna make the muffin first.
Yeah.
Sorry, we had a little bit of trouble. So we're making the muffin first, right?
Yeah. So
Okay,
I'm gonna
muffin
put
first.
this away. Okay. Look at the colorful.
Okay, seriously, these papers keep falling off.
Okay, you have to do this. To do. Okay, and we gotta go wash this up. This too.
Wait, where's the other
As
one?
you can see, our maid will clean it for us.
Wait, where's the other cup?
The other cup?
Yeah, the other cup.
Look down on your feet. So there's
Seriously.
like a lot of it here.
Yeah, the cup's flying off.
Are you actually off the fan?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, as you can see, we're like using our headphones and stuff.
Yeah, because we're hearing
Music.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna use
You
this.
see my Zenstone.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go get something.
Pretty faces, I gotta need you, and when you're mine in the world. Yeah, I'm hearing Justin Bieber right now.
You can see, we're gonna use these to pour it into 6 cups.
Yeah,
Okay?
6 cups.
So, okay, I think that's enough.
Because the other ones we're going to use for later.
A small cake. One tissue, please. Okay, and
Shall
I gotta throw this away first.
She always gets grossed out like that, so don't mind her like that.
As you can see, I'm a clean freak, so
What?
I'm a clean freak, so.
Okay, may I? Wait, you have to, so that they can see.
Okay. You may. When tells you to stop, then you stop, because you can stop. Careful. Wait until okay. The next one. You can stop. Okay, do everything the same amount. I think it's gonna take about like 1 hour. So how many minutes already? It's just 8 and we're gonna be done. So I'm gonna go heat the oven.
Okay. I'm getting grossed out right now.
Okay.
Amy, the mixture's almost finished in here.
Let me do something. Okay, we're gonna just do this. Oh.
Wait, you're gonna need more. Wait, you still need for the next one. I think that's one gonna be very fluffy.
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah, that's perfect enough.
So, right now I'm gonna go get the taking thing. Okay, you gotta unplug that thing.
Okay, wait.
Okay, we're gonna use this to take it.
Wait. Oh my god, okay.
And we're gonna take it right now
To the oven.
to the oven. Okay, so here's the oven. And we're gonna put it right there.
You see that?
Okay, wait. We're gonna put it right here first. And not here. So put it right there like that. And we're gonna go check the box for how long we gotta bake it. So, bake.
Okay, seriously, it doesn't
So
taste-
15 to 20 minutes.
Really? That fast?